Cambodia's tourism minister Thong Kon said on Wednesday that China's optimization in its pandemic control policies will inject new momentum into tourism growth in Cambodia and the rest of the world.
ខ្ញុំបាននិយាយដល់ក្នុងនាមរដ្ឋាភិបាលក៏ដូចជាក្នុងនាមក្រសួងទេសចរខ្ញុំសូមស្វាគមន៍ដល់ការមកដល់ឡើងវិញនៃភ្ញៀវទេសចរចិនមកកម្ពុជាព្រោះទាំងអស់គ្នាអ្នកណាក៏បានដឹងហើយភ្ញៀវទេសចរចិនជាភ្ញៀវទេសចរដែលជាទីផ្សារដ៏ធំបំផុតលើពិភពលោកហើយអញ្ចឹងគឺការចេញដំណើរដើរមកក្រៅឡើងវិញនៃទេសចរចិននេះมันតែសម្រាប់កម្ពុជាទេគឺថាពិភពលោកទាំងមូលគឺមានប្រយោជន៍សំខាន់ណាស់សម្រាប់ជួយដល់សេដ្ឋកិច្ចពិភពលោកក៏ក្នុងនោះក៏មានកម្ពុជាផងដែរប៉ុន្តែក្រោយបើកចាប់ពីថ្ងៃ8មករាកន្លងមកនេះគឺយើងសង្ឃឹមថាពេលដែលចិនបើកបាទយើងសង្ឃឹមថាកម្ពុជានឹងទទួលបានទេសចរចិនយ៉ាងតិច1លាននាក់នៅឆ្នាំ2023
According to the Ministry of Tourism, Cambodia received 2.36 million Chinese tourists in the pre-COVID-19 pandemic era in 2019, generating about $1.8 billion in revenue. The chairman of the Pacific Asia Travel Association Cambodia chapter agreed that China's resumption of outbound tourism would drive global tourism growth.
It's not only for Cambodia, but I think the world are waiting in return of the Chinese tourists to their country, especially Cambodia. Chinese tourists is one of the main tourist arrival to the country. So Chinese tourists have been a big percentage of tourism development to Cambodia. We are ready to welcome. And we are quite busy as well in these few weeks to redesign, the package tour, redesign the service, for the Chinese. So it's very good news for all of us.
Tourism is one of the 4 major pillars supporting Cambodia's economy. The country is famous for its 3 World Heritage Sites, including the Angkor Archaeological Park.